I'm from the Philippines.
I'm from Phoenix.
And China is made from the Philippines. Together.
And all together.
Still Phoenix. Two countries equals one heart. I don't know.
We're going to have to work on amending that introduction.
We have our new... Yeah.
We have our new star.
Yeah. So what's going on? She's looking
at our weekly Chikka2x is not doing too terribly well at this point. But I hope I got a decent footage of it. That this week's kind of has a little bit of a caravan with it. Yeah. Somebody's sister-in-law decided to go have a baby. Yeah. She went into the hospital a couple days ago.
Saturday morning.
Saturday morning?
Give deliver on evening and Saturday. Actually, C-section.
Sunday? I thought it was Sunday.
No, it's like close to midnight. Yeah.
Okay. But yeah, they after about 14 hours, they decided to go with a C-section.
Yeah.
And so she's been in a hospital recovering from that for the last couple of days. And they were supposed to have released her this afternoon. Mm-hmm. And that got delayed. And then it got delayed some more. And there was some bills to pay. And about 7 o'clock this evening, we got a phone call saying, hey, can you come pick us up? Saturday, her family came over.
Oh, yeah.
Sunday, they were here and then had to go back to Sabunga.
Yeah.
Life has just been a little bit topsy-turvy at the moment. That I did manage to get an office live stream today. I'm going to do my absolute best to find someplace to go tomorrow to do a walking live stream.
Yeah.
And we're still figuring things out. And now, especially with a C-section, that they don't want to go back to Sabunga quite yet. And have that travel, only to have to travel back here in a week or so for the baby's first checkup. Yeah. And then Cha-Cha's got some doctor's appointments here coming in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, with her C-section, it would not be good.
So today we actually were kind of scrambling around picking out a bed.
Oh yeah, did you take a picture of that?
I may run over there and grab a picture if they don't mind, or if they're not in there. Yeah. I may ask you.
I got a picture of that this morning. I'll just show it.
Is it on the phone? Yeah. Okay, I can grab that off the internet then.
Yeah, it's just
make sure
an inexpensive one.
It's just an inexpensive pallet. It's a super single or something like that.
Yeah.
But it fits the mattress pads that we originally had for Mama and Papa before we got the couch bed for them. Yeah. And Mama and Papa donated their room so that she can have her and the baby can have an air conditioned room.
I like the way you say donated.
Mama and Papa were going to donate their bed, and we told them no, absolutely not. And that you've worked hard to earn your position in life, and that is part of the perks and rewards. And that's a huge part of our thank you for helping with Shauna like they have been.
Yeah, Shauna is getting weight. So look at her. She's 1 month old, but she's 10 pounds now. 10.36 pounds. From 6.6 to 10.36. So
10.30.
6 pounds.
10.36 pounds. Okay.
Yeah, because it's 3 kilos, and then you convert it, it's 6.6 pounds, and then...
How many kilos is she now?
4.7. If you convert it, it's 10.36 pounds.
Okay.
Mama's really good at that.
Yeah, it's kind of late. I still got a bunch of editing to do. The Chana just had her doctor's appointment.
Yeah, it was amazing, interesting with Nana.
Yeah, Mama got Mama Carrillo.
Oh, I know.
Got freaked out. The doctor picked her up by her shoulders and braced her head and just held her up like that. And I thought Mama was gonna tackle the doctor. She was not happy with the doctor. He's a really good doctor, but he is kind of abrupt in things. He did the same exact thing and freaked Cindy out. I thought she was going to have a coronary.
Heart attack.
Yeah, I thought doctor was going to have to start giving CPR, but he's a really good doctor. He took time to explain everything, answered every question that all of us had a sense of humor about, 5 people showing up for Chana's checkup. And
Yes.
much against Mama's better wishes, we're not changing doctors.
Yeah.
Cindy and I had a talk about that, and we are real happy that this guy is a very well recommended pediatrician. Matter of fact, that the pedia rotation that Cindy's OB-GYN had to go through was done by this gentleman. That he's been a doctor that long.
But it's like, what else we do? Upcoming? I don't know.
I don't know what's going on.
It's
How
just
are we
like-
doing on the charity? I need that update too.
I don't know yet. She's giving birth.
Oh. What is it, Christmas time and everybody has kids?
It's a pandemic birth time. Having a baby time.
They didn't have anything else to do, so they found their own entertainment, huh?
Okay. She's asleep. Look at her.
Yeah, and she's out.
If you put her... Okay.
For the guys that showed up for the live stream this morning, she did the same thing in the live stream. She came out and was actually kind of cool and watching and all that fun stuff, and then all of a sudden the eyelids started closing, and yeah, it was out, gone.
It's so funny because if she did not fall asleep deep, and then if you put her, she will wipe away.
So, and the amount of noise really doesn't seem to affect.
Yeah.
Light seems to bother her a little bit more, so I'm kind of surprised she fell asleep with all this light.
We need to turn it off as soon as we're done. So.
Yeah, we're going to turn all this off really quick here. We did get good news. The birth certificates are on their way.
Yeah, it could be on delivery. So not sure tomorrow or Thursday or Friday. So we'll give it 3 days.
Yeah, we were hoping for them last Friday, but that didn't happen.
Because they have a 7 or 3 to 5 manual verification because it was submitted expedite. Papa,
So,
come in, Papa.
Papa, we're doing a video.
Chikka2x, just say hi.
Come on over and say hi.
Papa will put hot water for Chana's thermos. Thank you, Papa. O say, isuot ka, Mama? Thank you, Pa. Salamat. We're so blessed. Salamat, Papa. We're so blessed because
We are.
like Mama's always checking Chana for like bath time, cleaning and everything, doing laundry for Chana because we bring our laundry, there out in our neighborhood, and then Papa do the cooking and making sure that there's hot water. So they have all chores to do. Like their help are really amazing. So if not, then I'll be super grumpy.
What's kind of funny is the movie theaters were supposed to be opening back up, and Cindy and I talked about it, and we decided we were going to get them movie tickets and just let them go have a date night. Well, anyways, they didn't reopen for obvious reasons, and so today we asked them, what can we do for you to give you guys a night off, just for you, no distractions, no anything. And they said, we want to go back to Cebu and clean. And I was really hoping just for an enjoyable night, and they said that we really want to go do that. And Cindy helped with the translations, but that they were dead serious. That's how they want to go do that. So Sunday morning, we told them that we'll even pay for a cab to go back if you want. And they said, no, and so her and I talked about it. We're going to give them what the cab fare would be.
Yeah.
And just let them go back, order food, do whatever they need to. And then stay Sunday night and then come back Monday. Yeah. Sometime Monday. And just, because since Chana's been born, Papa's been back a couple times, but he's always been gone in the morning and back by lunch.
Yeah.
And everything's been so rush down there that I I think going back down and just not having to rush and get things done to them will be kind of a vacation. And that's what they're looking for. So, but that's what they really wanted. So that's what we decided, we agreed to do for them, to give them a huge thanks and show our appreciation for all that they do.
So China is getting heavier, so.
So you're telling me that we need to end this because it's okay.
Sorry.
No
I need to
worries.
put her down now.
Saturday I am gonna go for a ride. That I already got it okayed, and that's why they put it off until Sunday. I'm gonna try and get some video and definitely try and do a moto vlog of it. But gonna go up to Danao.
Yeah.
And just there's a couple of sightseeing places I wanted to swing into and see what that's like before the lockdowns and all that possibly happens. So, but that's really bringing us up to date and not all kinds of craziness have been going on.
3 minutes, Chikka2x winding up 15 minutes. Sorry for interrupting.
Oh, no worries. But our 5-minute Chikka2x tend to be 25.
So Chana is laughing like, we will do this for the entire year of my life now.
Oh yeah, but
for tonight,
tonight from Cebu City, Mabuhay.
Shut up, you leave me out.
Love you.